Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can be able to know or track the sites or have access to your Google account. Any site that have access to your Google account, definitely they can open your Google account and do some other things, maybe illegal or something like that. But today I'm going to show you how you can be able to see the sites or people that you allowed to have access to your Google account. So open your settings and go to Google. Yeah, click on Google, then let's wait for it to load, but make sure you on your data before accessing this particular place. Then click on settings and settings for Google Apps. Click on settings for Google App, this last one, click on it. Then if you can't find this connected apps here, if you can't find it, then if you click on Google Fit, you can still find it there. Let's click on Google Fit. You can see connected app as the first one here, connected app and devices. So let's click on it and wait for it to load, but make sure you activate your data before accessing this zone. Alright, as you can see, I have total of 14 apps and services that I allowed to have access to this Google account. I signed in with 13, but only 2 have inner access to my Google account. So let's check the one that have access deeply to my Google account. I'll click on this access. You can see 2 has any account access, has 2 drive, only 2 has access to my drive, and other account access is 1. So let me click on drive so that I'll see the ones that have access to my drive. As you can see, my Senua $1 account have access to my account, and my WhatsApp business, they also have access to my drive. So but this 13 here has access to my Google account as well, as you can see them. So if you don't want them to have access to your Google account, you can just click on anyone and deny access to your Google account so that you will be safe. So as you can see, if you can't find any application here, maybe after scrolling you see that this morph, like me, I can't remember, this morph, I can't remember linking morph into my Google account, so I can easily go and deny it access to my Google account. You get? So anyone that you see that you can't remember the time you signed into that particular site, kindly click on it and deny it access to your Google account for your safety. So let me deny this morph access to my account. Click on morph, as you can see here. Let me deny it access to my account. Click on the one that you want to deny access to your account, and then it will load a little bit though, depending on your network status. Then click on this last option, delete all connection with you have with morph. Let me click on it and confirm. Once I confirm, it will deny it access to my Google account. So as you can see, you're no longer connected to morph. You can connect to morph again at any time. So I've denied it access to my Google account. As you can see, it's now 13 total apps instead of 14 that it was before. As you can see it here, previously it was 14, but now it's 13 because I denied it access to my Google account. So if you can find anyone here that you didn't grant access to your Google account, kindly go and deactivate it immediately. So thank you guys. If you find this video useful, please kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share as well. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.